Happy Thursday, everybody. This is Tisa with Green Organic Love. I've had my coffee already. And up next, just like I promised, is the peach tree. So stay tuned and I will show you how gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous this peach tree is. Okay, so here is this peach tree, and it doesn't have as many blooms on it as it has in the past, but it has quite a few. And so I chopped this down multiple times, but again, last spring, or not last spring, but I don't even remember, but I chopped this down quite a bit. And let me show you. I just always have loved to see the beautiful peach tree. My grandmother had several when I was growing up, and so I always loved how beautiful the blooms would come on them in the springtime. I'm trying to zoom in, but my little iPhone ain't working this morning too good. Let me see. There we go. Okay, there we go. Look at how beautiful the blue sky is this morning. So this is the peach tree, and I believe that the less blooms I get probably will determine how big these peaches are. Like last year, I really, oh look, there's a peach. Can you see focus? Okay, there's a couple of peaches that I can see already. Do you see them? Right there. There's several peaches that I can already see. Ooh, I cannot get this camera to focus. Okay, let's see. Alright, so I have to start over. Let's see. And the sun is so beautiful today. A bit. Alright, so that is the peach tree, everybody. I'm seeing peaches already. Ooh, look right here. Can you see those peaches? There we go. So there's like 3 peaches right there. I think I'm gonna take this one. See that? Just take that off. Now you can see it. There you go. Peaches. So, let me know. Get in these comments, you guys. And let me know how your peach tree is doing, what you're fertilizing it with, when you fertilized, and how often you water. Yeah, there's quite a few peaches on here. Yep, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know again how your peach tree is doing. And that is the peach tree. I'll be bringing you another video tomorrow on the progress of what is going on with the fig tree in a week's time. The last time I brought you a video of the fig tree was about a week ago, and so I'm gonna revisit that before I move on to the next tree, because I want you to know how rapid that fig tree grows. So again, this is the peach tree. I'm everybody, and have a wonderful and amazing day. And don't forget to grow with love.